Hey guys, welcome to Unstuck Chuck. Super quick video for you today. Craftsman T1400 lawn tractor. A lot of people are having starting issues with these, and I did too. Sounds like this. As it turns out, when Craftsman built these, the ground wire from the battery would just mount straight to the back here. We're just at the back of the tractor. That's the ground wire from the battery grounding out to the chassis. So normally it's just painted and it doesn't make great contact. Here's something to try if you're having starting issues. Sand down the area under that ground contact. So disconnect it from the chassis, sand it down till there's no more paint there. Make sure it's bare metal, and then give it a shot and see if it goes. Should be something like this. Anyway guys, hope this helped. These are sweet little tractors, and hopefully you can get yours back out on the lawn. Thanks for watching.